I'm repeating. No problem. No problem. I'm repeating. The answer of A is with increasing time for every second. For every second, the distance moved is increasing. For every second, distance moved is increasing. That's why it is accelerating. So you wrote,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Now we are going to next one. Calculate the average speed of the ball between 1 to 3 seconds. So here 1 second and here 3 seconds. You have total time how much? 2 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
And total distance how much? 80.
Yes, sir.
80, right? So what you did here, can I check here? Yeah, correct. You are correct here. So here the formula you wrote, the formula is not correct, right? Is it correct? Oh yeah, formula is also correct. Fine. So here you wrote S equals d by t. We normally write b equals d by t. Okay, no problem if you write this way. So it is 80 by 2, 40 centimeter per second square. It's correct. Then finally we are going here. Next one, right? Let's
Yes,
see
sir.
what is the next one. This graph, right?
Yes, sir.
Astronaut. So here, astronaut, you whatever you drew, I think it is fine.
Yes.
You came here 6, right?
Yeah,
But
I don't have the graph, so it's not appropriate.
you did one thing here wrong. That is, our graph started from here 4, right?
Yes, sir.
From what was the speed over there? Huh? Let
Sir,
me
I don't
check.
remember the question.
Okay, let me check the question. No problem. Here it started from 4 point. How much? This is
Four.
4. Then here
Yes,
it
sir.
is 4, 5, right? After
Yes, sir.
5 small square, it is 5. Look, here it is 5. So it is 4.8.
Eight.
This,
Yes, sir. Four
yeah,
point eight.
so 4.8. So our speed is 4.8. It starts from 4.8 and here it will go straight, right? You will use ruler and you'll see it will go through 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you continue it, then you will see it will go again to 4.8. This way if you continue it will go again to 4.8. Okay,
Yes, sir.
negative 4.8. So why it's happening? Because you are throwing the stone vertically upwards, right?
Yes, sir.
And when it is going to upwards, its velocity is decreasing, right, due to the gravitational force.
Yes,
And
sir.
after some time means after 3 seconds it reaches to stationary position, like it will stop, right? It will go to
Yes,
the
sir.
maximum height. So we can say after 3 seconds it is reaching to maximum height, right?
Yes, sir.
So after reaching maximum height, will it stop there or it will return back?
Uh, it will stop.
It will, you are throwing one ball upwards, then when it is reaching to maximum height, after that it will return to your hand again, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will fall back.
Yeah, so when it will return back to your hand, that time from speed 0, the speed will increase, right? And again
Yes,
to
sir.
the speed you threw it, that same speed it will gain. Okay,
Yes,
until
sir.
it reaches to your hand. But
Yes, sir.
that one we are saying velocity because it has one particular direction. You are throwing up and it's coming again, returning back down. So one velocity is opposite to another velocity, right?
Yes, sir.
One is going upwards, another is going downwards, isn't it? That's why
Yes, sir.
we are using here negative, right? Negative. This one was the direction for upwards, positive, and this one is the direction for downwards, it is negative. And after 6 seconds, it will reach to your hand, and that time the speed will be, the velocity will be minus 4.8 meter per second. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
You can correct it,
Yes, sir.
right? Now let's
Yes,
see
sir. I've
the
corrected.
next part. Yeah, yeah. Let's see the next part. Yeah, you are very close to the end, right? Now we completed this diagram, right? This diagram complete figure 4.1 until time t equals 0 t equals 6 seconds. We did it, right?
Yes,
State
sir.
the value of t when the stone is at the highest point. From graph we saw it. It is 3 seconds, right?
Yes, sir. 3.
Yeah, because at highest point the velocity becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to last part, this one. That calculate the acceleration of the stone between t equals 0 and t equals 2 seconds. Okay, for this one, we have to get the values from the graph. At time
Yes,
t
sir.
equals 0, the velocity was how much? 4.8. We found that one in the graph, right?
Yes, sir.
And time t equals 2.0. That time, what was the velocity we are checking now? Look, how much is the value here?
Uh,
You check, yeah, it's, you take your time, no problem. It's 2, right?
yes,
Then
sir.
after 2, we have how many small squares? 2 small squares, right? Each of the small square is giving you
Yes,
point
sir.
2. Point 2, so
1.7.
1.6.
Yes, sir.
1.6 because 4.4 we are getting for 2 small squares. So it is
Yes, sir.
1.6. So
1.6.
our final speed is 1.6 and the initial
Yes, sir.
speed is how much?
4.8.
4.8. So it will come negative, right? That
Yes,
means
sir.
it's decelerating. So you
Yes,
can
sir.
calculate it right here. Can you do it here, calculation? And tell me the value of the deceleration. Can you check it in your copy? Do it now. Then tell me.
Sir, we should use the formula equals to V by U by T. V minus
Yes,
U by
yes,
T.
yes, yes. A equals B minus U by T. Your V is here. How much? Final.
4.8.
No,
No.
1.6.
Oh,
Because that is final, right?
yes, sir.
And your initial is 4.8.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because you see decreasing the speed and time is 2. So what is the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Minus.
Minus 1.6.
Yes, and it's matching with the value, the real value.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On moon the acceleration is 1.6, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you see our calculation is correct. Then next, next one you check a stone. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you read it?
The stone is thrown vertically upwards on the earth with the same initial velocity. State two ways in which velocity diagram for the stone differs from figure 4.1.
So on Earth the acceleration of free fall is greater, right? It is 10 meter per second square.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So
Yes,
in
sir.
one of the graphs before we told, look, in MCQ part, I told you something. Can you recall that one? Like this one. This one, I told that the more steeper, it has more deceleration, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can think of that this one is on moon and this one on earth, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if it is on earth, it is more steeper, right?
Yes, sir.
So now we are comparing with that one. We have that one. Yeah, we have this one. Look, our shape of the graphs will be like this. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir. I'm
Walaikum
extremely sorry.
salam. Welcome back, Sumaya. So our shape of graph, we are not saying exactly like that, but we are thinking that our graph will be more steeper, right?
Yes, sir.
We can at least say this one, and we can also understand from here the way it was taking time. It was taking that time 3 seconds to reach the maximum height, right? Now
Yes,
it
sir.
will take less than that. At least
Yes,
this
sir.
one we understand, right?
Yes, sir.
To reach the maximum height. So our these 2 points we will write over there that the line, the graph will be more steeper than before, and it will take less time to reach maximum height. Can you write these 2 points in your paper?
Sir, can you repeat one more time?
Yeah, I am repeating. The first point is you will write the graph will be more steeper than before as the acceleration is greater.
Yes, sir.
This is first point. And second point is it will take less time to reach maximum height. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sumaya, you are
Yes,
not
sir.
here. No problem. We have the recording. Okay, today's class we have recording. I will upload as soon as possible. Maybe tomorrow I'll upload. So then tomorrow, please you check it.
Yes,
Sumaya,
sir. Yes, sir.
worksheet 2. This one we are doing. We were discussing the last question, Sumaya. Last question,
Yes,
last
sir.
part we were discussing. Again is going.
স্যার আমি আসলে খুবই সরি কারণ হচ্ছে গিয়ে মানে
No problem, no
আমার
problem.
সাথে সব
Look, in our class we have feedback. Don't worry. I don't worry. You don't worry. Okay. You have the recording. That's our resource, right? You have the notes.
Yes, sir.
You have the
Got it.
all worksheets. So we can recap. If we want, if we are sincere, then we can come up with the problems, right? No
Yes, sir.
problem, inshallah. I think we have now next class on Monday. So by this time you can overcome your all these missed notes, right? Okay.
স্যার ইনশাল্লাহ অ্যাবসলিউটলি
Inshallah, inshallah. I also think that if you try, you can do a lot, inshallah. Your brain is very sharp. Look, these 2 points we are discussing, I told Abid to write these 2 points. I think when we'll see the or watch the recording, that time we'll understand everything, inshallah. Okay. So thank you so much for joining, everyone. And what is your task now, Abir? Abir, you have task
Yes,
that
sir.
you will redo it, okay, and resend it,
Yes, sir.
worksheet 2.
Okay,
And the
sir.
second task is you will send me also worksheet 3.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then Sumaya.
Yes, sir.
Sumaya,
স্যার
what is
1
your
2 3
yeah, Sumaya, you have worksheet 1, 2, 3, and you have another extra work. By this time, manage one day that I will you when you say yes, you are prepared. First, you send me worksheet 1. I will correct it. If there is any correction, I will explain to you. If there is no correction, then I will tell you take the test. Okay. Any day you tell me that you are ready, then I'll send you the test paper. I'll give you time. You will return me within that time. Okay, Sumaya?
Sir, sir, is my test on Monday?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, is my test on Monday? The topic
Yes,
2 and
yes.
3.
Your test will be on Monday on topic 2 and 3. And Sumaya, if you
জি
can
স্যার
if you can complete worksheet 2 and 3 also, then you can also take the test on Monday on topic 2 and 3. Okay. Then
ওকে
you
স্যার
can be parallel with Abir. Okay. Then will be no problem. So by this time you try as much as possible. If you can't, that is different, no problem. But I
স্যার
think,
ইটস মাই চ্যালেঞ্জ
yeah, it's your challenge. So try it, huh? Thank you so much. If
ইয়েস
you
স্যার
need to ask me anything, you can chat me, no problem. You can go with Google Classroom. You can give me information there. So everything is open for you, right? Allah
ইয়েস স্যার
Hafiz.
Allah bless, sir.
স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম আল্লাহ হাফেজ
Alaikum salam.